So just this past year, I've been able to scale a business on Shopify about 33 times. Yes, in 1 year, 33 times growth from the first month's revenue to the last month's revenue. Now with Shopify, the cool thing is there's a ton of apps you can go and use and install on your store. Some are free, some are paid, some have free trials, some are better than others. And so I want to give you the top 3 apps that I think have made the biggest difference to letting us scale this business. So the first one is actually by a good friend of mine, Ezra Firestone. It's called Shopify's One-Click Upsell. So with running sales on your own website, using Shopify as the e-commerce platform, being able to do upsells is absolutely critical, and it's free money. You know, this is after somebody has actually entered their credit card information, entered their billing information, click checkout. The first transaction is pretty much done at that point. Then the upsell screen pops up and they can add more stuff to their order. So you've already locked in that first order. It doesn't put that at risk whatsoever. Then you're able to put an upsell in front of them called a one-click upsell, and they can add or decline it either way, and you can have multiple series of these. So that has been absolutely critical. It allows us to add thousands and thousands of dollars straight to our bottom line every single month. So would definitely highly recommend Shopify's one-click upsell. Second one is an affiliate platform, affiliate app we use called Affiliately. So I'll post all these links below this video also. So this is just a standard affiliate platform, ties in with Shopify, and allows us to go out there, recruit affiliates. They get paid on all the sales generated. Now we typically offer a fixed amount per sale. We actually do $30 per sale. You can also do a percentage of the sales that they drive, any of that sort of stuff you want. So the affiliate platform, Affiliately, has worked pretty well for us and has allowed us to tap into a completely diversified traffic source that's not Facebook ads, that's not email, that's not Instagram ads, that's not influencers or any of that sort of stuff. It's just regular affiliates that have blogs and websites and email lists that go send us people, and we make money off of that. The next app that's been super helpful is one that we use to do order bumps. So order bumps are different than upsells. An order bump is typically on the cart page where you add a bunch of stuff to your cart. You've probably seen it on other websites, and you can click a button to add even more stuff to your cart. So we've added something there that has added a lot of additional revenue for us. We actually add 2 complementary products with a single click of a button, and the app that's allowed us to do that is called InCart Upsell. Once again, you'll see the links below this video. So this app has worked really well for that purpose. It's got a few missing features, can't do some split testing and stuff like that I kind of wish that it had, but it has worked pretty well for us. So at first we had 1 order bump there, and then I wanted to see if we could increase results. So I ran that for a week, took that off of there, replaced it with a new one, ran it for a week, and sure enough, on a per order basis, it increased results. So kind of had to do some manual testing there. But either way, that one's been super helpful for us, called InCart Upsell. So those are the 3 main apps, but I did want to give you one more bonus one. So another bonus one that we've been using, a 4th one if you will, is called Recharge. This is a standard one a lot of people use for subscription products. Cool thing with your own e-commerce site is that you're able to add subscription anytime you want. Now maybe this isn't going to apply to every single business out there, but if you can work subscription sales in there, absolutely do it. Now for us, most of the time we're trying to push subscription sales using the Recharge app is after somebody's already bought. They've bought the product, they like the product, they've tried it out, and then we start telling them, hey, you can get a big discount if you sign up to receive the product on a regular basis. So Recharge has allowed us to do that. Now there's hundreds and hundreds, of probably at this point thousands of Shopify apps out there that are really, really good, but these are ones that have been super helpful for me. So I'll pop those in the description below. But if you want to hear more stuff about how to grow an e-commerce business on Amazon, off Amazon, on Shopify, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.